Welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be doing a tutorial on how to band a 30 by 30 tent. The two main reasons for banding a tent is to hide the straps and the frame of the tent. The other reason is for beautification. First, I stake with the fabric at the desired height that I want my banding to go, and then I stake it a little bit below the lower part of the tent skin. And then I will be just going through the motion of putting the plates in the middle. After this is done, I will move on to the next pose. I will do the same thing, and I will continue this process until the entire tent is completed. Here I cut off the excess fabric, and then I basically just ruffle it in to give you a neat finish in the corner. Well, I have banded the tent right around. However, this process is not yet completed. You will have to go back to each corner post to restaple the top of the fabric. In so doing, now you will have a finished look. And remember, you want your banding to be as stiff and as neat as possible. Now that this aspect is completed, your finished product should be looking something like this. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I upload new content. Please check out this video on the right